Wheat crops grow around the world and have unique production cycles when it comes to planting and harvest seasons. Technological advances in soil preparation and seed placement at planting time, and use of crop rotation and fertilizers to improve plant growth promote wheat as a viable crop. Wheat normally needs between 110 and 130 days between sowing and harvest, depending upon climate, seed type, and soil conditions. In wheat crop cycle, first the soil is prepared and leveled, and then the seeds are sown. After some time, once the seeds are germinated, the irrigation process begins and the plant is watered. The crop has to be irrigated at adequate intervals throughout the cycle. After this process, the use of fertilizers can be done, depending on the farmer. Once the crop grows a bit more, weeds are removed manually or with machines. And finally, once the crop is fully grown, it is ready to be harvested, threshed to separate the seed from the shaft, and later on, storaged. Wheat has some certain requirements when it comes to cultivating it, and these are the following. The temperature required for wheat during growing season is around 15 degrees Celsius. The weather should be warm and moist during the early stage of growth and sunny and dry in the later stages. The amount of rainfall required for wheat cultivation varies between 30 centimeters and 100 centimeters. The soil suitable for wheat is either light clay or heavy loam. Lastly, wheat is grown in plains, which provide adequate drainage and, what's more, it makes easier the use of machinery.
In Argentina, wheat is a cereal that is grown during the winter. The sowing is in the months of June, July, and until August, and the harvest occurs in the months of December, January, and the southern hemisphere. Wheat is grown on more land area than any other food crop. There are many areas of Argentina that are obliged to plant wheat because they are so far south they have a frost-free period. That is to say that there are very few days between the last late frost and the first early frost, so therefore cannot realize summer crops because they are killed by late frost or early frost. Agricultural activity is developed in 3 zones: temperate, subtropical, and arid, which are differentiated by their climate conditions and their aptitude for agriculture.
Wheat is commercialized worldwide and is used as an ingredient of the most used and mundane products. These are the following: wheat oil, wheat grain, flour, bread, oatmeal, cereals, and even pastries.